Hi there. In this video, we will go over the ability to bulk select service jobs and send them to the vendor. This will generate the vendor memo in the system. We will begin this demo in the Service Jobs module. In order to select the jobs, press the checkbox on the left-hand side of the screen. You can also select all available jobs on the page by checking the box in the top left corner here. In this demo, we will select the 3 jobs to send to the vendor. Once you select one or more jobs, the pink rounded action button will appear and show you how many items were selected. Click on it to reveal the options. Choose the Send to Vendor option to open the Send Jobs dialog. Note that you will need to enter the description as well as choose a destination account or vendor. You can also choose the shipping method and add a tracking number if applicable. Once you are happy with your selection, press Send Jobs. Note that this process can take up to a minute to complete. Once the sending process is over, you will see the action wizard with all the created vendor memos. Note that if the origins for the selected jobs were different, multiple vendor memos will be created. You can view the PDF of the created memos by clicking on them in the wizard. You can also send the created memo documents to the vendor by clicking Send Memo Document. This will open the Build Message dialog where you can change the text, email address, etc. That's it for using the bulk selection feature to send the jobs to vendors. Thanks for watching.